Galangal is also known as Siamese ginger. It's from the same family as ginger, and it looks similar, but it tastes different. It has a sharp, peppery, almost citrus flavour, while ginger is fresh, pungently spicy, and not sweet. The skin of the galangal is smoother and paler than ginger, and its flesh is much tougher. It can't be grated like ginger, but instead it needs to be crushed and sliced finely before use. In addition to helping to ward off premature aging, the anti-inflammatory power of galangal helps to calm inflammation throughout the body. The anti-inflammatory gingerols play a role in inhibiting prostaglandin synthesis, and this leads some experts to believe that it can help with arthritic conditions. A 2014 study found galangal, a flavonol in the galangal, can elicit an anti-inflammatory effect by inhibiting ERK and NF-kappa B phosphorylation. Inflammation is a common pathogenesis of many chronic diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory skin conditions, and bowel disease. Galangal has a good amount of vitamin C and more than a dozen antioxidants, including alpine and galangal, making it an immunity booster. What's more, research shows that the 1S1 acetocavacrol acetate, or ACA, isolated from the rhizome of the galangal, inhibits the replication of the HIV virus. In the Middle East, galangal is used as an aphrodisiac, and in Southeast Asia, it's often used for menstrual disorders. More research on the topic is needed, but a 2014 study showed that an ethanol extract of the galangal significantly increased rats' spermatogenesis. Additionally, it's been shown that a daily supplement of pomegranate juice and galangal root increases sperm motility by 3 times. Galangal is a member of the ginger family, and this also includes turmeric and cardamom. This group of plants contain phytochemicals linked to cancer prevention, thanks to their antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic properties. The galangal, a flavonoid in the galangal, has been shown to combat chemical genotoxicity. The galangal has also been linked to apoptosis, the self-destruct program that the body uses to kill off dysfunctional cells. Scientists say the galangal root is effective against gastric, skin, pancreatic, breast, and liver cancers. According to a 2014 study, a water extract of the galangal possesses anti-proliferative effects on human gastric tumor and L929 cell lines. Studies show the essential oil derived from the dried and the fresh galangal can inhibit bacteria, yeast, fungi, and parasites. The ACA in the galangal is active against Staphylococcus aureus, Listeria, E. coli, Salmonella, and Clostridium. Compared to turmeric and ginger, galangal is the most effective against the Staphylococcus aureus. It also inhibits a broad spectrum of fungi such as Aspergillus niger. We know that antioxidants support the skin health, but the galangal might actually help to turn back the clock. In an in vivo study published in Cosmetics and Toiletries, scientists state the galangal extract boosts hyaluronic acid production. Surprisingly, the participants reported a reduction in smile lines, increased skin radiance, and skin density. The galangal also soothes away eczema, burns and itches, and fungal infections. The fibre in galangal does 2 grams per 100 gram, and this supports good gut health and bowel regularity. The galangal reduces the salivary and digestive acid secretion, thereby soothing the gastrointestinal tract. This is especially beneficial for patients with ulcers. In Ayurvedic medicine and other Asian alternative medicine, the galangal was used to help with gas, cramping, constipation, and even to stop the hiccups. Some of the nutrients and the ACA in the galangal have been linked to healthy brain and better cognition, plus the protection against depression. Evidence also shows that by reducing beta-amyloid plaque deposits in the brain, the spice can slow or prevent the onset of neurodegenerative diseases. Animal research also confirms galangal's anti-amnesic effect. We've long known that increased cholesterol levels can raise the risk of nearly every chronic disease, including heart attack, peripheral artery disease, and stroke. Camperferol, quercetin, and galanin, the primary flavonoids in the galangal, can prevent cholesterol spikes. Research also shows these compounds can inhibit fatty acid synthase, thereby reducing blood cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Galangal has been used for thousands of years as a natural treatment for cold, cough, and a sore throat in Asia. Galangal tea aids in expanding the lungs and loosening up phlegm, thanks to its expectorant properties. The antispasmodic effect of the spice reduces the sputum, as well as dilating the bronchioles. The galangal extract also helps to control and soothe asthma and acute respiratory distress syndrome, thanks to its anti-inflammatory effect. Galangal can protect your heart in several ways. The spice has been shown to improve cardiac circulation, decrease LDL or bad cholesterol and triglycerides, as well as have an anti-inflammatory effect. Studies showed that galangal can reduce cardiac contractions and protect from fainting and heart attacks. Dietary fibre reduces the risk of heart disease by binding to the circulating cholesterol and removing it from the body. Galangal has a good amount of fibre, making it a heart-friendly spice. Galangal is a powerhouse of antioxidants, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. It even comes with antiseptic properties. This means you've got your one-stop solution for everything from a dry scalp to dandruff to hair thinning to split ends and more. The galangal juice works like magic for promoting blood circulation on the scalp. The root is a must-have in a beauty regime. It's a powerful antiseptic. It gets under the skin to kill acne-causing bacteria. And the best part, it does all this without irritating the skin. Antioxidant in the roots tone the skin, fight off lines and wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and more. In folk medicine, galangal was used to soothe and to speed up the healing of burns. Just like ginger, galangal has long been used as a popular remedy for nausea, often as a result from morning sickness, motion sickness, or seasickness. In addition to the traditional use for nausea, modern science also backs up these claims. More specifically, evidence points to gingerol, the active ingredient in galangal and ginger. An animal model shows that gingerol can increase gastrointestinal transportation and relax the muscles and can relieve the nausea and vomiting. Research shows little or no information regarding galangal's side effects. Actually, galangal is classified as a hypoallergenic food, so the chances are good that you won't experience any reaction. As mentioned, galangal can increase stomach acid production, so if you have any gastrointestinal disease, it's probably best to avoid this herb. Like most herbs, avoid overdoing it, and if you're pregnant or breastfeeding or taking medication, always consult a doctor. There's many ways to use the galangal roots. For soups and curries, grate or mince it, or for a vegetable stir-fry, you can add thin whole slices. The galangal powder is popular nowadays. For more on herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.